Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for December 3rd, 2020. Of course, it's a Thursday morning, and it's actually pretty quiet. Enjoy it while you can, because this weekend is not going to be very quiet at all. It's going to look to be actually pretty stormy, especially on Saturday, with waves of rain and, yes, even some snowfall. So for this morning, we start off a bit chilly with temperatures ranging from the mid-20s to lower 30s over the interior, lower to mid-30s in the New York City metro and also the Philadelphia metro. Scattered cloud covers in place with a weak west-southwesterly wind around 5 to 10 miles per hour. Take a look at our surface map. High pressure is in control, but you can see trouble is brewing off to the west, and we can see it very clearly with our infrared satellite picture as we start to see this storm in the subtropical jet stream start to get organized. You can start to see the lifting starting to show up here with the colder cloud tops. You can even see that down towards the Gulf Coast here, right under me. You can see some of those colder cloud tops. Meanwhile, you see the polar jet streams starting to interact with this storm. So when you start to get these two jet streams starting to interact and play with each other, it tends to lead to some stormy conditions, especially for the eastern United States, and that is exactly what's going to be transpiring starting tomorrow evening and continuing on through Saturday. So let's dive into this forecast. For today, high pressure in control, generally tranquil weather conditions. Look for temperatures to range from the lower to mid-40s over the interior, mid to upper 40s along the coast, with quiet weather. For tonight on through tomorrow morning, look for increasing cloud cover. I'm going to keep it dry for the most part until after about 8 a.m. You'll start to see some isolated showers starting to show up. Look for low temperatures to range from the mid to upper 30s over the interior and lower to mid 40s along the coast. In the afternoon, showers are going to start to become more widespread as the storm starts to organize to our south. Some of those showers will be capable of producing heavier downpours, especially in the evening, becoming widespread and heavy, even for the interior by the time we head towards midnight. But at the same time, you're also going to start to see some snow and sleet mix in for locations like the Poconos and Catskills. Temperatures on Friday will rise into the mid-40s over the interior and upper 40s to lower 50s along the coast. Now on Saturday, a very complicated scenario is going to be playing out. Our low pressure system will be intensifying off the New Jersey coast, tracking to the south of Long Island and heading out towards Cape Cod. While it's taking that track, waves of heavy rainfall can be expected along the coast. This is primarily a rain event for them. However, as you head towards the interior, towards northeastern Pennsylvania, northwestern New Jersey, the Catskills, parts of the Hudson River Valley, and northern Connecticut, especially northwestern Connecticut, you're going to see a transition from rain to snow. How fast that happens will tell you how much snowfall is actually going to be capable for this storm. And I would keep a very close eye on locations like around northwestern Connecticut, central Hudson River Valley, and portions of Catskills for the heaviest snowfall with this storm. So it looks like it's going to be a rather complicated scenario. So overall, we'll have a better idea of what to expect with this storm this afternoon with some better model data. But the overall theme is this: rain along the coast, rain changing over to snow over the interior. It's a heavy, wet snow, and it's going to be a bit of a pain as you head towards the afternoon and evening hours. It's also going to be a fast-moving storm where the bulk of the storm for the Philadelphia metro is going to basically be in the morning hours, and for the New York City metro and on northeast in the afternoon hours as the storm is swinging on through. Temperatures throughout the period of rain will basically fall from the 50s, 40s, and 30s into the 30s and 20s as that cold air builds in. And so as a result, even along the coastal plain, don't be surprised, let's say around Long Island or New York City or coastal New Jersey, if you see a few snow showers at the very end of this storm, and maybe a dusting or two in a few locations. So after that very complicated storm exits, Sunday looks to be a windy, chilly day with a passing flurry or two here and there. Temperatures will range from the mid-20s to lower 30s for lows, and lower to mid-30s over the interior, mid to upper 30s along the coast. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday will be featuring a clipper type pattern. That means a series of cold fronts are going to be moving through. Overall, pretty quick moving cold fronts, so scattered cloud cover and occasional snow shower here and there, but no major weather impacts are expected at this time. We have to watch out for these clippers though. They can be a bit tricky. Temperatures through the period for Monday on through Wednesday will feature lower to mid 20s over the interior and mid 20s to lower 30s along the coast for lows. High temperatures in the upper 20s to lower 30s over the interior and mid 30s to lower 40s along the coast. And then on Thursday, a little bit warmer with lows over the interior in the upper 20s to lower 30s, mid to upper 30s along the coast, and high temperatures in the upper 30s to lower 40s over the interior and mid to upper 40s along the coast. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. We'll have a public update with a new snow map, the first public snow map, by this afternoon once we get a good handle on the latest model guidance and get that information out to you. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.